Hello friends, today in mathematics I'll be looking at number base. So I'm going to start with this question that says find the number base used when 343 in base x plus 275 in base x is equal to 812 in base x. Remember, this x is the base, the base, so it's not really 275x but 275 in base x, the same thing here, base x, the same thing here, base x. So what I need to do is to bring out the numbers individually. So I'm going to bring out 343 in base x. So I'm going to number. There's a number system we normally use to solve number base. So I'm going to start from, this is tens, this is a unit, 100 tens are units. So I'm going to start from the unit to ascend. I'll give 3 0, I'll give 4 1, I'll give 3 2. So assuming if there's another number here, I'll give it 3. That's how you number base. So in this case, I'm going to use these numbers up here as the exponents, that's the powers of this x, this base. So doing that is going to be 3 times x raised to the power of 2 plus 4 times the base raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times the base raised to the power of 0. Okay, remember 3 raised to 3 is has 2, so that's why I wrote 3 times the base raised to the power of 2. The same thing here, 4 times the base raised to the power of this 1. Okay, so this is the same thing as 3x squared plus 4x plus 3, because x raised to the power of 0 is 1, and then this is 1 times 3 is 3. So I'll do the same here. I'll bring out 275 in base x, number it as usual. So this is going to be 2 times x raised to the power of this 2 plus 7 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 5 times x raised to the power of 0. So this is the same thing as 2x squared plus 7x plus x raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Remember, the x raised to the power of 1 is x. X times 7 is 7x. So I'll do the same here. Okay, in base x. So I'm going to look for the value of x to know the exact value of x. So now this is, I'll number it as usual. So this is going to be 8 times x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 2 times x raised to the power of 0. This is going to be 8x squared plus this x raised to the power of 1 is x. X times 1 is x plus x raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So remember, this plus this is equal to this. So this plus this is going to be equal to this. So this will give me 3x squared plus 4x plus 3, then plus this 2x squared plus 7x plus 5, all will be equal to 8x squared plus x plus 2. So what I will do here is to collect like terms. This and this are like terms. I'm going to add it. That will give me 5x squared. This and this are like terms. I'm going to add them. This is going to give me 11x, because 4 plus 7 is 11. This and this are like terms. Plus 3 plus 5 is 8, is equal to 8x squared plus x plus 2. So I'll collect like terms now. Collecting like terms. Okay, I'm going to move all this over here and move 2 to meet 8. So doing that, that will be 8 minus 2, because they are like terms. And it is plus here. As it crosses equal sign, it becomes minus. So is equal to, I'll keep these ones here, 8x squared plus then 5 will cross over, becomes minus 5, not plus, because any sign that crosses equal sign, the sign changes. So it becomes minus 5x squared. So plus 11 will also cross to become minus 11x. Remember, there's x here, so this one does not cross. You remember that is why it is plus. Okay, now what I need to, 8 minus 2 is 6, is equal to 8 minus 5, because these are like terms. It's going to give me 3x squared minus 11x plus 1x. That will give me minus 10 x. So this, remember that this is the same thing as 3x squared minus 10x minus 10x is equal to 6. So now moving this over to me this expression, it becomes 3x squared minus x. This is plus 6, it crosses to become minus 6, equal to 0 is left there. So this is actually quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. So for me to solve this, to get the value of x, I'm going to use either almighty formula or completing the square method. Almighty formula, that is the use of quadratic formula, is the easiest one. I'm going to use that because quadratic factorization cannot solve this, because there are some quadratic equations factorization method cannot solve, but almighty formula can solve any of them. So formula is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is a, this is b, this is c. So x is equal to, so anywhere I see b, I'm going to substitute with minus 10. That is minus b, that is minus bracket minus 10. Remember there's minus 10 here and there's minus here, so that's why I'm putting bracket, plus or minus square root of, then b is minus 10, square it, minus 4 times a is a 3, then times 6, minus 6 is c, minus 6, divided by, then 2a, 2 times 3 is a. Okay, this x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so this becomes 10, plus or minus 10 square is going to give me minus 10 times minus 10, that is 100. Then minus times minus is plus, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 6 is going to give me 72. So divided by 2 times 3 is 6. So this is the same thing as 10 plus or minus square root of 172, because when you add them, you're going to get 172 divided by 6. So I'm going to find the value of x using plus sign. That is 10 plus, and remember square root of 172, if you check your calculator, it's going to give you 13.11. So divided by 6. So if I solve using plus sign, then it's going to give me 23.11 divided by 6. That's going to give me 3.85, which is approximately 4. Okay, now I'm going to solve for x when using minus sign. That's 10 minus 13.11 divided by 6. And 10 minus 13.11 is going to give me minus 3.11 divided by 6. That will give me minus 0.51 or something. Okay, now and remember we're dealing with number base. This cannot be the base, rather we take the positive number as the base. So in this case 4 becomes the base. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, make your comments, your suggestions. Thank you.